Buenos días, estudiantes. This tutorial will review the E to IE stem changing verbs. First, let's review the parts of a Spanish verb. In Spanish, infinitive endings are the two letters at the end of a verb before it's conjugated when it's still in its infinitive form. There are three types of infinitive endings in Spanish: AR, ER, and IR. When you remove the infinitive endings before you conjugate a verb, you are left with the verb stem. Let's look at some common E to IE stem changing verbs. Cerrar means to close. It is an AR infinitive. When we drop the infinitive ending AR, we are left with the verb stem ser. Perder means to lose. It is an ER infinitive. When we drop the infinitive ending ER, we are left with the verb stem perd. Sentir means to feel. It is an IR infinitive. When we drop the infinitive ending IR, we are left with the verb stem sent. Empezar means to begin or to start. It is an AR infinitive. When we drop the infinitive ending AR, we are left with the verb stem empez. Querer means to want. It is an ER infinitive. When we drop the infinitive ending ER, we are left with the verb stem quer. Preferir means to prefer. It is an IR infinitive. When we drop the infinitive ending IR, we are left with the verb stem prefer. We know how to get our verb stem from our infinitive form. Now it's time to review changing the E in the verb stem to an IE. Our verb stem ser will change to sier. Our verb stem perd will change to pierd. Our verb stem sent will change to sient. Our verb stem empez will change to empiez. Our verb stem quer will change to quier. And our verb stem prefer will change to prefier. Now is a good time to review the regular AR, ER, and IR conjugation endings. AR verbs can be conjugated with o, as, a, amos, and on. ER verbs can be conjugated with o, es, a, amos, and en. IR verbs can be conjugated with o, es, a, emos, and en. Now that we have changed the E in our verb stem to IE, we will finish by conjugating the verb. First, let's add the yo form ending to all of our verbs to see how they look. Cierro, pierdo, siento, empiezo, quiero, prefiero. Here are our two form endings. Let's see how they look. We have cierras, pierdes, sientes, empiezas, quieres, and prefieres. Now let's add the él, ella, usted form endings to all of our verbs to see how they look. Cierra, pierde, siente, empieza, quiere, and prefiere. Remember, we call stem changers boot verbs because when they are conjugated in a verb chart, the nosotros form does not take a stem change. So all we have to do with the nosotros form is use the regular conjugation endings. Cerramos, perdemos, sentimos, empezamos, queremos, preferimos. Finally, let's add the ellos, ellas, ustedes form endings to all of our verbs to see how they look. Cierran, pierden, sienten, empiezan, quieren, prefieren. And that, Class A, is how you conjugate E to IE stem changers. Nos vemos!